Okay guys, welcome to Phone Tricks and Tweak, and today I'll be teaching you how you can change your location on Whisper. Like right now you can see that where I'm recording this video from, I'm recording in Nigeria, somewhere in Nigeria, but my location on Whisper is New York. So I'll be showing you how I was able to achieve this. For the sake of look at it, I just opened it again. My location is New York. Let me go to my Whispers so that you will see the locations there. I hope this network is good. This network is not too strong, but it's supposed to show, if it's supposed to show New York. Anyway, let's go straight to the business. Let me show you how you can do this quickly. Now, for you to change your location on Whisper, you need three key things. Number one, you need a VPN. For example, you can see my VPN is here, VPN, and in this case I'm using Winscribe. If you check this my Winscribe VPN now, you will see New York is on. After a VPN, the next thing you need is you need Ola Fake GPS. You can go on Play Store, go to Google Play Store. If you go on Google Play Store, from Google Play Store, my network is very bad, so I won't be able to open Google Play Store. It's loading. It's not on 4G. But if you go on Play Store, you just search for Ola Fake GPS. You will get it there. Now there is fake GPS, there's Ola Fake GPS. Ola Fake is the one that has smiley inside. So when you on your VPN, you open your Ola Fake GPS. I want to use New York, so I will search for New York, the location I want. Then I would, when I search, I click on it. Okay, I want to use New York. Let me just do it. You come here, you click on New York, you see options, New York, United States. I click here. When I click here, it will show you the points that you're going to be on the map. Then you click on go. It begins to show this red icon. That means it has set. Then the third thing you need to do is you come to your location. You switch on your location, and if you haven't done this before, you need to do it. You need to go to your settings. This one just entered my mind, and in your settings, go to developer option. Some phones have different places where developer option is advanced. Yeah, you click on developer option. If you click on developer option and it doesn't open like this, just keep tapping it for like 6 or 7 times, it will load. You click on developer option. There is a place in developer option where it shows location something. You need to go and set that one too, so that your app can work. That's the mock app can pick, the phone can work with the location of this. It allow mock locations. Most times it can be off like this. You click on it. So once you do these three things, your developer setting is there, your Winscribe is on, then your Ola Fake GPS is on, your location on your phone is on. If you go to your Whisper, everything is fine. Just go to your Whisper, your location will show the exact place you want it to be. And in this my case, it is New York. So this is it. So guys, that is the end of this tutorial. If you find it